sikreto ng isang matatag at masayang relasyon?
Communication, pag-ibig.
Yun lang ba na, I mean, ang dami
Basta
kasi
may communication. Marami syempre ups and downs. But constant communication, pag-ibig yun yung pinaka-importante.
How you will describe it? 2 years ba? 3 years na kayo?
4 years kasal.
4 years. Paano mo describe yung apat na taon na pagiging kasal ni kasi siya?
Marriage is the best thing in life. Once you found your partner in life and solid ka doon, tuloy-tuloy yung buhay mo. Kumbaga may partner ka sa buhay mo palagi. At sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, ups and downs, lahat, nakasama ka palagi. So yun yung pinakamaganda.
How is she as a wife?
Very good. The best.
Ano ba siya? May gusto? Mahilig ano?
Lahat ng pangarap ko. Hindi, mabait si Mel. Mabait si Sarah. Mel ba tuloy? Mabait si Sarah. You know, we learn from each other every day. You know, it's not always roses, not always perfect, but we learn from each other, ups and downs. And at the end of the day, we become better people together. That's what's important.
Marami pa rin sa mga aso na nag-aaba, yung baby raw kayo planning.
Prayer mo, Mel, kasi parang malakas yung mga prayer mo eh.
May plano na ba na?
Oh,
Anytime soon?
Anytime, sana.
Yung